After axing the standard range dual-motor Model Y last month, Tesla has started offering the single-motor, rear-wheel drive version sold in other markets. As a returning model, it now stands as the cheapest Model Y yet, starting way below the $50,000 mark. The arrival of the base Model Y comes just a few days after the automaker introduced an updated model in its biggest market, China, a quicker version with a few visual goodies. Don't get excited, though, as the US still gets the pre-updated version, marked by the silver wheels, wood trims, and the lack of ambient lighting in the cabin. The new Tesla Model Y RWD comes with a price tag of $43,990, which is way cheaper than the discontinued Model Y AWD. Tesla indicates that this model is eligible for the $7,500 federal tax credit, suggesting that either the battery pack is manufactured locally in North America or a strategy similar to the Model 3 RWD, which utilized an LFP pack imported from China, is employed. This brings down the Model Y RWD's price to $36,490. You can get it even cheaper in states offering more incentives for EV buyers. Tesla also estimates additional gas savings of $3,600 over 3 years to make the price appear even lower on the configurator. Nevertheless, the Model Y RWD lags behind its AWD predecessor in terms of range and acceleration, rated at 260 miles compared to the AWD's 279 miles and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.6 seconds versus the AWD's 5.0 seconds. This isn't the first time Tesla has offered a Model Y RWD in the US. The automaker introduced the Model Y RWD, albeit with a shorter 244-mile range for $41,990. Accounting for inflation in the past few years, that would be $47,577 in today's money. Offering the cheapest Model Y can be connected to Tesla's recent announcement about a production and delivery slump in Q3. This could be a way for the automaker to achieve its production target of 1.8 million vehicles worldwide. Considering that the Model Y is the current global bestseller, there's a good chance that Tesla will reach its goal by the end of the year.